Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this Biidey, that's Biidey, Pink Next Glow Facial Massager. These are really, really great. Comes with a cleaning microfiber cloth and a charger, and of course the facial massager. Does come with a guard over the massaging portion. Takes a USB-C right there to charge. Fits in the palm of your hand like so. On-off buttons right here. Really easy to use and operate. Gonna hold it down. It's got some red light in there as well, so it's gonna give you red light and massage. You got a couple different settings here. Okay, and it's got EMS settings as well. If you touch it on your face, it starts to vibrate. And it feels so good. It doesn't turn on unless it's touching, which is really cool. Feels really good. It has a clean setting as well. Very nice. Was sent to me for review.